Today we're gonna look at 5-minute skipping rope workout challenge for fighters. Hello, bonjour ladies. Welcome to BusyProFitness, where I help you transform your body, health, fitness with quick workouts while you still enjoy your favorite food and life. Skipping rope has a lot of benefits and it should be included in any workout plan, especially if you are looking to achieve great results when short of time. Skipping rope is fun, sustainable, portable, time efficient, cheap, improves balance, coordination, sport performance, bone intensity, memory, and mental awareness. These are all the benefits that we're gonna look more into detail on my next video coming up on Sunday. Today we have a 5-minute skipping rope circuit workout. So very simple, quick and effective. So 25 seconds skipping rope, 20 seconds body weight exercise, followed by 10 seconds rest. And we repeat all the way down to 5 exercises for 5 minutes. Let's go.
Okay, first exercise, skipping rope. We start for 25 seconds. So after skipping for 25 seconds, we'll head into the next exercise, which will be squats to high knees. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, so keeping your chest up, back straight, squat as you come up, bring your knees to your elbow, twist. So it's working on legs, core, obliques, all at the same time. So you go for 20 reps, then 10 seconds rest, and we go back to skipping again for 25 seconds. So 3, 2, 1, and done here. I'll skip the 10 seconds, back to skipping again to the next one. And that's it, guys. Keep going until you're 25 seconds up, then back to body weight exercise, which next one is lunge overhead reach. So again, working your quads and the reach, just stretching your shoulders and the upper body, upper back. Okay, keeping your chest up, back straight, lean forward, step back. Easy peasy, easy peasy. Alright, cool. Once this one is done, 10 seconds rest, which one again we're gonna skip, and then straight to skipping rope again. There you go. So we go on till we complete 5 exercises, then you're done. So that's a 5-minute skipping rope workout, including body weights, that helps you burn tons of calorie and improve your core strength as well. Okay, you can do it only one round. If you go 5 minutes, trying to do it every day, that's the challenge, 7 days a week. If you can go even more, go for it. Alright, I'll leave you guys into it till the end of the video. You only got about 2 to 3 more exercises left. And for the push-ups, if you cannot complete the push-ups, make sure you do your workouts and reach the bottom and just get your knees on the ground and go for the modified push-ups. So 20 push-ups including workouts, then back again, skipping rope. Alright. Okay, next, jumping jacks. Straightforward, simple, everybody's familiar with it. And low impact exercise, cardio, just vascular, working on this one too. And then after that, you get your 10 seconds rest before you complete the last exercise. Alright, last one, plank and twist. So again, core tight, chest up, make sure your shoulders in line with your butt, and just twist side to side, so it forces your obliques to work a little bit harder. So core strength, why not? Alright, good. And that's it, ladies. That's your 5 minutes skipping rope workout challenge.